or you can change your background. Now to change your background from this to this, open the background you want to use. It could be an image or a video. This is an image I got off the internet. And then you overlay the video you want to edit the background or change the background. Go to overlay, add overlay. This is the video I want to overlay, so you have to expand it a bit to fill up the screen. And then the next stage is to remove background. So click on the video, go to remove BG. This is remove BG, then auto remove. And now you can see the background has been changed, but I don't like the way this hair part goes like this. So let's see if we can adjust that. We go back to background, remove background, remove BG, custom removal. Let's go to brush and let's see if we can replace this hair. Yeah, let's just leave it like this. Okay, so now let's see how it goes. And look, now it is done. My background has been changed. And if there's any parts that you don't see in your video, for example, when my hair was a little bit not showing, you can always go to remove BG, custom removal, and use brush to replace any part that you want to show in the video. And that's basically how you do it. This video contains the tutorial for beginners. So if you want to know about CapCut as a beginner, how to edit, if you don't know the basics of editing, click on this video here. You trust me, it will be really helpful for you. And that's it for this video. Till I come your way next time, I remain your one and only Jessica Okolie. Make sure you subscribe. Bye. Share this video.